Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning, you all. Look at that beautiful sunshine. Oh my, that is so gorgeous. Uh-huh. Well, it rained all night last night, guys. And then I woke up to this beautiful sunshine. Another gorgeous day. Uh-huh. Full of nature. Oh, it's so gorgeous, so pretty. Uh, wow, that sun is really beaming in my face. And I didn't even wear my shades this morning for my morning walk. So get out and enjoy this beautiful day, guys. And absorb some of this good vitamin D in this sun. Uh-huh. I will talk to y'all later. Oh, look at those beautiful blue skies. Uh-huh. Take care, everyone.